So in this class, we will be learning about angles and property of triangle. So as you know, there are three angles in a triangle, and for example, this is a triangle ABC. The three angles of the triangle are angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now, if we see these angles, measure them individually, and add the total, the total will be 180 degrees. This is called the angle sum property of triangle. What does this mean? Triangle pakhat angle pathum kin thum ne luthina ahe pathum del khom hi angle jang a degree jang dan del khom ne chang sa le som ri atan ne. Example hi let's say hi 70 lo ni ta se chuan hi 50 lo ni ta se lai hi za som ri to chuan za hi langai 70 plus 50 will be 120, and so this has to be 60. Abel comma 70 plus 50 will give you 120, and 120 plus another 60 will give you 180. It cannot be more than 180. It cannot be less than 180. It has to be exactly 180 degrees. This is called the angle sum property of a triangle. Number one. So based on this, we will solve a few questions from your textbook. We go to question number, exercise 23.1, question number 1. What does the question say? In a right angle triangle, one angle is 30 degrees. So right angle triangle angle pakhat ka 30 degrees. The right angle triangle triangle having one angle equal to 90 degrees, right angle triangle. True. So here angle pakhat 180, sorry, 90 degrees in the air. So anisa right angle pakhat 90 anisa pakhat 30 lo nita se is on to. So let the triangle be ABC. Number 1. Let the triangle be ABC. ABC, in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B 90 degrees. So, given, what is given to us? Angle C 30 and 80. Now, formula can share angle A, angle B, angle C, and pathum the com has a lesson here than C. So the angle A here. Ikan dama yang ini jadi santuran yang ikan santuran itu. So B 90 mentah C 30 degree mentah. Dah yang cuma belkom maka kan zonga belkom to angle A plus 120 degree dengan 90 30 belkom maka za lesson ini tu. Cuan angle A to 180 atau 120 pi. Kadu pola ni 120. So on angle A2 is on 60 degrees. True. Therefore, the third angle is 60 degrees. Very simple, right? So this is how we find the third angle. Let's see one more question. In question number 2, two angles of a triangle are 72 and 49. Find the third angle of the triangle. Question number 2 triangle triangle le anga tunami ang tho kan triangle kan draw to na ma sa right angle om to laba. So you can just draw it like this. ABC kan dile ma yang hi hi yellow nita se tilai hi b hi c kan tianga. So the angle om sa ho kan huwa yang da na 72 le 49 72 degree pakazoti 49 degree and then a is okay. Oh, so on question number 2, let ABC be let ABC be the triangle. Triangle. So here angle B equal to 72 degree and angle C equal to 49 degree. Now angle A, B, C, the sum of these three will be having particular compensation. We are throwing the letter here. Angle sum property so that we don't forget it. Angle sum property. So just like I did before, Amami akan B kan 90 degree itu, tunangi acuan B2 ini kan khatam 72. So C ini ada ini 49 equal to 150 degree. So the formula angle A plus how much is this? 121. 121. 72 there, 49 there, sorry, 72. 9, 10, 11, 1 in hand, 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 will be 12. So 180, 12, angle A2, 180, 121 pi. 121 is equal to the canti, plus, minus, and 121. Yeah, there is someone who has not has not muted the mic. Please check who you are. 120 or 121 can by it's 159. It's 124. So angle A will be 59 degree. This is how we solve it. Okay. Question number 3. Here are two angles of a triangle measure 65. So only 65, 65. I hope you can do this. A proper. A conclusion, therefore, the third angle is 59 degree. This is not it. Let me go to another question, number 3, and we are number 3. Number 3 65. So question number 5 4. So number 5 question number 5. Triangle triangle the triangle here. A, B, C, so angle A, B, C can make a ratio of mean is of time. Ratio means ratio proportion against it to a continue with the ratio of x total. Let A, B, C be the triangle. Continue. So what is the ratio? Ratio of angles coming here. What is the ratio? C 6:7:23. X man ngai amo direct one kan chok thiam khatu. Chon sum of ratios on pura nyanga. Sum of ratios are chuan. Then ratios on so you can be content down. 6 plus 7 plus 23. Abel come to. Is that good? 6 plus 7 to 13, 13 plus 23 to 36. And therefore, first angle A, first angle kita say angle equal to 6 by 36. A total cancer negative 180 degree. Sum of angles thì bảo thủ bằng trên con thì đang đi chỗ so angle A to can zoom down ta 36 multiplied by 5 and check 5 6 is 30 0 3 5 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18 and then chia sẻ này bro thì mình ta tama 5 và số and 6 5 the 30 degree angle B yang option hung thì lấy angle B as well 7 by 36 mà là ngay thôi là bằng như oh so here 180 can multiply there 180 180 degree and each one 5 as well there 7 5s are 35 degree. The last angle C2 23 by 36 into 180 degree if you cancel this, you get 5 again. 115 degree as well. Hang pathung del company into Zaleson. So this is how we solve if the ratio is given. There is another way of solving it using x, but that is a bit lengthy, and we haven't learned that method in a ratio and proportion, so we'll go like this. Therefore, zona ABC tiong C loba chu bang chuan. Therefore, the angles are kantianga ABC kan tikhana dik loba. Application angles are 30 degree, 35 degree, and 115 degree. This is not it. So this is how we solve. You have to remember the sum of all these angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. And then after this, we still have one more formula to be learned. So that is exterior angle property of a triangle. So for that, you have to move to I don't actually see this in your book. Yeah. Corollary, page 215. Corollary of the angle sum property at hand. Sum number 1 color. Page 215. Okay, 215. What does it say in a triangle? The exterior angle is equal to this is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. In a triangle, in a triangle, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Two interior opposite angles. Now this sounds a bit difficult, right? If you just look at it like this, then it sounds a bit looks very difficult. I don't know what this is. So how to do this? Very simple thing, just like before. I have a triangle. So a triangle pakat asir do ba pakat itu produce one time. And produce an angle the extra in pakat asir mga. So triangle po na on day don't know. A B C D long ita se. Kaya here he can produce na di lang. B C he can say ya. So angle third can be an angle taking number low data ila 1 low data ila 2 low data ila ila 3 low data ila so upon me exterior angle ng tianga hi number 4 low data sa exterior angle here exterior is in the exterior angle so data sa ani check athua here tiang tu na siya ka an exterior angle is equal to number 4 is equal to angle 4 is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Achungami ama at two angle pahi. Abulami ni lautina ni so number 3 yellow intina ni so. Heng pahi number 1 le 2 le 1. Heng pahi opposite interior angle. Heng pahi the common between angle 1 plus angle 2. So angle 4 will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This is the exterior angle property of a triangle. Now, I'll show you one more example of this with a different figure. Let's see if I draw the figure this way. This one will draw taila. So alphabet ho hi hai tahi a lo data ila b line c lo taila through. So he d lo ni ta se. Ni tila makan produce and dia makan dah. So kan exterior angle on na. He don't done. So he actually 1 kan dia nga 2 atau tadi 1 2 3 kan dapat tanga so na po ni ka 4 lo kita ila. Hey, figure B ka so 4 ita ni na unda ya. Opposite angle pa ni kesu 1 tel lo 1 to adjacent angle ni adjacent angle ni opposite angle tu angle 2 le angle 3 hai ta. Ama bula umlo an haya umlo ko ka. Ai pani so opposite angle 4 opposite tu ni le 2 and 3. So this is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3 for this figure. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So with this concept, we are going to solve a few more questions of the exercise. And I hope you won't find it difficult. So let's see a few questions. Now we shall be solving question number 6, and this question is based on exterior angle property of a triangle. So excuse me, you can look at the figure there. There is a, and if you know the answer, you can tell me in advance. Triangle pakat kan ya, dan exterior angle pakat pona. Asiyama. So on triangle V R P Q and the R and exterior angle of na so O. Kaya tayo ng exterior angle. Is in ya X tinada. So hang he angle value ni kaya 35. Pakazoki. How much? 27. Can you tell me what is the value of X? What will be the value of X? Anyone? Okay. Waiting for you. Let me solve it. In the figure, angle x on naka ORQ gantiya. ORQ is equal to angle P plus angle Q gantiya. Oh, thế thì lại mi angle hi angle R ati thế lawa R ani lawa R chu phun mi he thì lại R hen pahi zom khom kha R ani zo kha thì lại mi angle kan soi do ni a hin chu thế thì là ka ai ni ORQ MO QRO ORQ MO QRO thì hai oh thì là gì có tao chuan apa khai trong trong game hàng thì I do this and this so I just started with this one and then I've been in thẳng mấy an exterior angle property hi alam tôi đó exterior angle property x in thẳng mấy là x equal to 35 p ka 35 ni to p is 35 degree q is 27 degree so what x is equal to x equals 62 degree. That's it. So simple. X ka exterior angle anita achun the opposite angle pahidel comma CR opposite angle to hang pahidel the opposite down so hang pahidel comma cut to exterior angle property in so what x is equal to 35 plus 27 and the sum is 62 degrees. So the value of x is 62. Let's see sub number 2. Before we go to sub number 2, our link is about to expire, so we will just